Hey guys, on today's item shop we have something pretty special, which is Captain America. So yes, right now we can purchase this. However, I am doing a giveaway, so make sure to sign up for that. Other than that, we do still have Jello jacket pack right here. We also have this emote, which is pretty cool and pretty cheap for 300. It's pretty neat. Besides that, we have this skin right here, plus this one, and of course the pickaxe that goes along with the both skins. Let's not forget about this pretty cool skin, and of course Desert Dominator, plus a few emotes such as Star Power, Finger Wag, and of course Shadow Boxer. Let's not forget about this pickaxe available right now, and under special offers we still have this skin, this one right here, and of course the pickaxe, plus the wrap still available. Anyways, that would be it for this video. Don't forget to sign up for that giveaway. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.